Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this pretty easy pink kawaii look. I've never done a makeup tutorial before, so sorry if it's a little messy. But yeah, stick around, and if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. First things first is I'm going to go in with a pink highlighter right under the brow bone. I've already put down some concealer under this so that my colors will really pop. Oh, there's a hair on my face. Long hair, hun. Next, I will go in with this kind of soft baby pink. It has a little bit of glitter in it. My cat wants to be in the video too. Okay, so I have this kind of bright hot pink that I'm going to go in with. Just kind of you're gonna look a little intense at first, but once you get everything together, it's going to look super cool. That's the look. No, I'm kidding. Then I go in with this sort of wine shade. Hi Shiba. I use a white eyeshadow base for this part. My cat's watching me. It's making me nervous. But I tend to just go in and just make a new eyelid. And you kind of blend it. And you add more. You want it to cover your whole new eyelid. I'm gonna try to do my makeup like this. Ashiba! Ashiba! So now I'm just going to go in with a kind of flatter brush, I guess, and I'm going to use an iridescent pink shade to just go in. Cat's like beating me with her tail. It's rude. We're just gonna go in. She is such a baby, my cat. She's so baby. Now she's biting me. It's so rude. Okay, now I go in with this highlighter that we used at the beginning, and I just kind of highlight the inner corners. We'll go back in with this wine shade. Compact it. Yeah, boy. And here comes another good part of the makeup process, which is eyeliner. I just go nuts, you know. Make a triangle. I fill in the rest of my eye. Yeah, boy. Looking good. And now it is time for the lashes. So we're just going to go in with our lash glue and make a thin strip. You don't want to overdo it. Okay, now the lashes have gotten kind of tacky. She beloved. But I like like to look down, plop them in there. I tend to like, I'll look down and I'll just hold it. Now we're going to go in with some mascara to blend in our natural lashes with our new falsies. Now what I like to do, a lot of other people might not, but this is my makeup tutorial. I like to go in with the white, the eyeshadow base. I go in back here, back towards the edge, the outer edge of my eye. And I do that. I wipe some of that wine pink color on the outside. And that is our eyes done. Now let me do the rest of my contour, my blush, my highlight, and my lips, and I'll be right back. And here is the final look. I like this look a lot. It's one of my go-tos, especially if I'm wearing pink like I am right now. And I hope that I've helped you learn something about makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, but I am a makeup enthusiast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a like, maybe a comment about this look, and maybe you could even subscribe if you want to. Anyway, I hope that you'll go out and recreate this look, and have a good day, everyone. Bye.